Okay, we've got the FIMI X8 SE 2022. We haven't had it up for a while. Let's see what we do. It's preheating. And it's gone through this since the last update. There was an update a little while ago. And the gimbal seems to need to be preheated for some reason. It takes a while because I don't have any control over it yet. Let's see what happens. There we go. I think that should do it. Yep. For some reason, it takes some time. And it's just happened since the last update. So, firmware version, there you go. Okay, let's get it up. It's got that kickstart mode. It's up. It's a big bird. It should go up to 4 meters. Thereabouts. Okay, let's get it up and see what happens. Okay, and we are in standard mode. Do we have, what's the speed we've got on this? 10 meters per second. Well, I want to bring that down to 8. There we go, check mark. Thousand meters. No limit. 50 meters high. I don't have sport mode. Compass is good. Return to home. Indicators, precision landing, don't care about. Remote ID, don't care about. Yada, 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 yada. Good. Okay, let's get it up and start that video. Okay. We're going to go up to pretty high height. We're going to go up to 80. Let's go to 90. I've been up there for a while. Bring that down a bit. Bring that out. See how far we get out. Eight meters per second. And that's the max I've got it at. So that's a nice speed. Even if full stick forward 8 meters. That's good enough for flying. We're not in cinematic, we're just in normal. Everything's auto. Let's see, here we go. We've got good connection. I just want to look at this video compared to some other ones I've just taken. And the FIMI X8 SE 2022. So far it's been pretty good. So we're at about 500 meters. Usually at about 750 here. See what happens. I think it's about 750 is the turnaround point here. And just because of all the trees and the water and where I am, I'm standing inside my garage, so I'm just at the edge of the doorway, facing out. And I'm facing a bunch of trees, as you could tell from the takeoff. We're at about 850. Wow, we're still going pretty good. Can we get to the far point of that little inlet pond there? Probably not. But it's got some amazing range for out here. There we go, 1K. Wow. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Yeah, still got control. We're still going. We're up at 96 meters. We're up to 1.2. I've never been this far out before. Pretty heavy drone, so I'm not too worried about it. The wind has died down pretty good, so coming back is a little bit darker. See what happens if we turn it a little bit. Turn it over that field. Yeah, we're running out of space here. There we go. 1.5 clicks. There we go. And it should be turning around pretty good. There we go. Fail safe. Return to home, right? So if we bring that camera down, we can see some better footage of what's going on. It's coming home. Phil says, oh, it's a kilometer and a half. That's pretty good, really. And we're just going to look at this video and see what it's like. It should be pretty good. The Xeno. Wow. I've got Hubsons on the brain here. Been flying them all morning. Not too happy with the Hubsan Mini Pro. It's got all kinds of jitter problems I can't get rid of from the gimbal. And the Xeno Mini SE has connectivity issues now. And even the FIMI X8 Mini, it's right on that border. It's like 8 degrees Celsius. Right on that borderline of being out of the jello stage. Because the jello stage for that for me is 10 degrees. So I'm looking at this, and yeah, I'm kind of coming into the sun. It's kind of hazy. So being up that high, I'm going to get a lot of haze, but sunlight off the water and all that kind of stuff. But we'll see what it's like coming back. And we've got, didn't start with a full battery, about half battery left. It's coming back at 8 or 9 meters per second. It's not too bad. I find a good speed for photography and video is about 5 meters per second. Yeah, between 5 and 8. There's no reason to go any faster while you're taking video anyway. But I will say the Hubsan Xeno Mini SE does a good job at speed. Really good job. And this one as well. But the other one's the Pro. It doesn't like speed that much when you're taking video. And same as the X8 Mini. Doesn't like speed that much. It's coming back. We're only 350 meters away. The other side of that intersection. And we're going to cancel. There we go, cancel that. We'll just go across there. Go down here a little bit. Horizon's still pretty good. Get some more light. What I do like about this is you have a dial on the right side that you can adjust the EV value. I really like that. We're just going to keep it 0 right now. Let's turn around a little bit. Have a look at this end of the subdivision. Haven't been down here for a while. Let's get that up a bit. There, see, it's kind of faded there. Once we get down to the bottom here, we're going to turn around and we should get some better sunlight. No, maybe not. Very overcast. Let's look down there. And 8 meters per second, there we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one, and we'll see you next time.